unboxing in case you forgot.
So hello folks, this is our Redmi 2 Prime box. So today we are unboxing it. So just look it behind. So this is Redmi 2 Prime. Here it's not mentioned Prime, it's just written Redmi 2. It's having 2 GB of LPDDR RAM, 1.2 GHz processor. It's Snapdragon. The device is 4G enabled, that means LTE. The device contain, so let's check out. Guys, this is Redmi 2 Prime. This is top on the box. It's having a plastic cover. I removed it out, so nothing much. This is device, and we are having pamphlets. So let's open it. Pamphlets. So it's, as you see, Mi branding. So this is quite well packed, I have to say, and this is written in 2 languages, English and Chinese. I'm glad to hear that is written in Chinese, although it's made in India, rather I say assembled in India. So you can find this in Chinese too. Great. After pamphlets, we are getting a USB cable. I removed the plastics as I told you earlier, and a travel adapter. So its output rating is 1 ampere. So it's quite good. So don't forget, it's pricing at rupees 6,999. It's a budget phone. So in this budget we are getting a lots of things. So let's look at device. So folks, this is device, and we already boot it up. Before going in details with this device, we are showing some overviews. So we have volume rockers, and it's plasticky, and its click is quite satisfying, and it's looking quite superior, premium. And this is the lock button, 3.5mm headphone jack, and camera, speaker output, LED flash, and I have to say this is quite light and clear. Second, microphone for noise cancellation, Mi branding, and this is microphone for your calls. This is USB port for charging, and front facing camera, and speaker for ears. So hand feeling is quite good. It's feeling like a superior phone. It's not feeling like a cheap phone at all. So this is folks, and this is its back. So just a sec, I'm opening it. So this is quite plasticky, and I have to say it's quite good. I'm testing this device from last 1 or 2 days. My main SIM is in this device, or we have 2 SIM slots. Our SAR value is in limits, it's 0.999. so SAR value is far beyond in limit, because the limit is 1.7, I think so. So guys, we are checking its configuration. So we are going in settings. Settings, yeah. About phone, we already got an update from Xiaomi, so our system is already up to date. So here you can see Android version. We are having the Android version of 4.4.4, it's KitKat, and MIUI version is 6.6.8.0. so it's a quad core 1.2 GHz processor, RAM is 2 GB, and internal memory is 16 GB. So quite good. It's a upgraded version, and you can see that internal memory is 16 GB, and we can upgrade it by a external SD card. So I am using this device from last 1 day, and I'll glad to say its performance is quite good, better than any devices in this price segment. So folks, we are testing camera performance. Just an overview of camera. Xiaomi said that they have 8 megapixel of rear camera and 2 megapixels of front facing camera. So we are just testing it. We have this object, and I would say it take half or 1 second to focus. So in this price segment it's quite good, I have to say. The pictures are coming out quite crisp and clear. Redmi 2 Prime is having a quite good camera, I have to say. The picture is quite crisp and clear, no issue with the rear facing camera. And we are turning into the front. I am using front facing camera. I'm going to take a picture and show you its clarity. So guys, so it's I have to say it's quite plasticky, because it's not natural light. It's quite good in natural light, I tested it out, but in artificial light it's quite plasticky. I have to say it's okay. In this price segment it's far better from other devices. So guys, this is the camera performance, and I have tested out some games too, and it's quite good. Actually, RAM management of Xiaomi is far superior than other devices of this price segment, and without any apps open we are getting more than 1 GB of RAM. So it's quite good, folks. If you are searching any device in the price segment of 7 to 8,000, so I'll definitely recommend that device. So guys, let's talk about display. So if we tilt the device, we can see that no color distortion at all, no color shifting. So display quality is quite good, not quite good, it's very good, as Xiaomi said that they are using a IPS HD display. We can only stream 720p pictures through YouTube, but it is supported till 1080p, that means full HD. So it support OTG cable too, so that's very good. OTG is future. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Give us a thumbs up if you like. If you don't like, then comment us what the reason behind it and how can we improve our videos. So guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned, because camera and gaming reviews going to soon out. So stay tuned with us, and please comment in comment section if you find any problem with our video qualities, or if you wanna suggest us anything. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys once again.